Hi, this is Fl from Any House Cleaning, and we are cleaning again an RV. This is a vacation RV home, and the owner called us because she came back from north and noticed that is some mold on the windows, a lot of humidity. There is some spots of mold right here, especially in the windows. We are putting some product, a concrobium product, to remove and protect all the windows and seals. We have to clean all the panels, all the cabinets, wood cabinets, inside and outside. It was closed for summer, and now they are cleaning the RV before they will occupy. And this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning.com. You can call us at 407-572-4118. Let me see if you can check this window. There we go. This is a mold stop dots. Really nice RV. If you need our services, just call us at 407-572-4118. Smell of humidity. Acá hay otra ventana. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. 407-572-4118.